Where's Bergeson? Bergeson Jones. Going to the mud. Oh my God! Woo! Ow! Berg, you okay? Dude, that was a big ass hill. Hold on.
I just fucking caught my tire dent the rim.
I don't think so.
Dude, I hit that fucking log hard.
Fast, but you're riding a YZ, dude. It's okay.
Feel my heart. The bike, right at the top, as I was coming around the bend, the bike stalled out.
What gear did you have coming down that hill?
First.
Yeah, see, I put mine in third. So when I do let the clutch out, you're going, you know, you're not in the back.
Stalled out.
Listen, if you're coming halfway down that hill and you have to let that clutch out, if you're in first, your wheel's just gonna lock up and you'll slide, it'll make you fall. But if you match the speed, right? So say like you do like I do in third gear, when you let the clutch out, you'll actually track straight. You're fine, dude. You ain't riding a pit bike anymore.
I don't understand.
Look, I watched you. I have it on video.
Oh, listen, it stalled out.
End of video.